guys. This is my cat, Princess. And she is just chilling out, taking a nap. Well, she was until I came over here and started bugging her. Say hi, Princess. She's not feeling really social today. She looks tired. Okay, I have 5 cats, and I love them. So now we're going to go to Mr. Calvin. He's so sweet. Aren't you, baby? My baby. Say hello. Oh. Oh, my little man. I love you. Calvin is probably one of the most sweetest cats ever. He's a good daddy, too. He takes good care of his little children. Say hi, Calvin. Calvin is almost 4 years old. He'll be 4 years old, actually, on the 13th of February. So, he's got a birthday coming up. Purring, purring. And this is my 3rd cat. His name is Mr. Cuddles. Mr. Cuddles, what are you doing? Say hello to the camera. He's like, yeah, right, leave me alone. Let's see if I can find my other cat. I don't know. There he is. This cat, his name is Fatty. And he's double-pawed, just like his grandfather. Which I do not, I don't have his grandfather. I actually got Fatty from one of my friends, and she had the father and Fatty's father, and the grandfather was double-pawed, and Fatty's father was not double-pawed, but Fatty somehow inherited it. Say hi, Fatty. Lazy. Fatty is a very special cat to me because he was the only one who survived out of a litter of like 4 or 5. You can hear him purring, probably. He's on this little pillow. He doesn't want to move. But yeah, Fatty, he's really cool. I love him to death. And I have no idea where my other cat is, I bet. Oh, there she is. That's my oldest cat, Madeline. And I think I got her in 2005, so she's almost 6 years old. And she had a close call about 2 years ago. She somehow got under the sink and she grabbed and ate a twisty tie that goes you know what, this isn't right. So I took her to the vet, and they did an x-ray and an ultrasound, and the vet was like, you know, I think that her intestines feel really ropey, and, you know, they did an x-ray and an ultrasound, and the vet called me back, and she's like, all I can see is, like, it looks like she ate a mouse. I can see mouse bones or something. Maybe the mouse was poisoned. I said, not for nothing, I have 5 cats, so I really don't think I have a mouse in my house. So then I ended up bringing her from the vet's office to a 24-hour vet clinic in Portsmouth, and they were excellent. She ended up having exploratory surgery to see what it was, and lo and behold, that's what it was. She had eaten a twisty tie and then elastic, and that obviously blocked her from digesting her food, and you know, stuff like that. So $4,000 later, because she was in the hospital for like 4 or 5 days, I think, recovering. And so yeah, that was really expensive, but she's with us and she's still alive, and that's all that matters to me. I just really hope and pray that none of my other cats get sick anytime soon. But yeah, Madeline, she's feisty. She's the alpha cat, and she's like very territorial. And though she's lived with these cats for years, like 3 of them are her children. And Calvin over there, he's the daddy, he's the mate. I mean, they're all fixed now, but I let them mate like 2 or 3 times. And but yeah, Maddie, she'll smack the other cats if they walk by, you know what I mean? She's just like, I'm old, I'm set in my ways, I was here first, get out of my house, you know, that's just how she is. My husband loves to torment her, by the way, it's wonderful. She, like, seriously will bark at him and hiss at him. Yeah, my husband brings out the best in her, I guess. But my battery light's flashing. Yippee. Mr. Carlos. I called out sick from work today because my stomach doesn't feel so great. I don't know if I ate something